WWE Select 27813. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. R top, FH bottom. Whoopsies. FH bottom. That is 5 times. Get rid of it. Drop it in where you picked up your spots. And save. All right. Here we go. Now, there's 2 case hits to get in a case, and we've had neither of them, so squad should be pretty juicy. Kobe, Simmons, Ford, Silver Triple H, Tricolor, Catan Chance. The Rock, ringside. Silver, Dirty Dom, and Cody. No, it's just 99. The old Cody cutter. Right, Osborne, Silver Ripley, Silver Bruno Sammartino. Truth, Nick Aldis to 25. Tie-dye auto, Charlotte Flair. Very nice card right there. Big Charlotte, Silver IRS. I don't remember if Charlotte's her own spot. I don't think so. Well, Vice, Kali, Law, Silver, China, Red, Maxine Debris, nice little colour match there. Farouk, Aniel for the A spot. Silver already on it. A blue, Solruka, Sensations, number 249, Silver Baptista, the Manimal. Silver Bianca Belair, Tricolor Lexi Bliss. Julia. Silver Solo, Dom the Rock, number 2109. Revisionist History, they always call him the fabulous one now. Silver Gunter, Tricolor $1 Million Man Ted DiBiase. Briscoe Knight, Lashley. Blue Relic, Gigi Dolan. Sparks, number 42-49, Silver Jerry Lawler. Looks like there's a gold ringside to finish things off. This could be big, Silver LA Knights. Roddy Piper, that's cool. 8 of 10 for Roddy Piper. Love that. Gold. And that is WWE Select Big Dog 27813.